No need to cook the pasta separately in this one pot cheesy pasta and sausage.
Let's see what's cooking. It's time for yoyomax12.
Hello everyone, you'll need a large pan or Dutch oven, big enough so that you can put 1 pound of linguine noodles in the bottom and they lie flat. Then add 3 cups of halved cherry tomatoes, 1 sliced large onion, 1 pound of cooked sausage, whatever kind you like, 3 garlic cloves that have been sliced, a couple bunches of basil leaves, teaspoon and a half of salt, and a teaspoon of pepper, and then pour in 4.5 cups of water. Now you're going to bring this to a boil on high heat. Once it starts to boil, turn it down so that you have a nice simmer, and then continue to simmer, stirring frequently until the pasta is al dente or to the texture that you enjoy. Then add in 1 or 2 cups of cheese. I add a combination of Parmesan and cheddar and stir until the cheese is melted, and then serve immediately. I love these one-pot pasta recipes. I've made one on my channel before that didn't have the sausage in it and didn't have the cheese, and I wanted to try this one. I enjoyed this very much. I didn't like the sausage I used. I used German sausage, and I didn't like the flavor of that. I think the next time I make this, I will use cooked Italian sausage, and I think that will be right on point. This recipe comes from a website called The Slow Roasted Italian. I will put the recipe from that website in the description box below. However, please take a look at recipe notes because it will give you an idea of how I change this recipe to make it work for me. Thanks for watching. Now, my long-term viewers, hello there, already know this about my channel. I always tell the truth about how recipes turn out, and every single recipe is not the most delicious thing I've ever tasted. So if you're looking for honesty and for some really interesting, great recipes that I find and post on my channel, go ahead and click on that yellow subscribe button right now and subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye.